Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will give you a quick overview of the data load editor. So let me click over there and let's click OK, because for me that's okay if I don't want to save it because I have not done many changes. So here we are in the data load editor, and on the left side you see we have two sections. One is the main section and second one is auto generated section. So this auto generated section is basically a part of all the operation that we were doing in the data manager. So it creates an auto calendar by default, and it has imported that orders and returns table, and there is some calculation which is going in at the start. So now if you see, this is asking us to unlock, because you have just one way of managing your data inside the Qlik Sense. Either you can come over here in the data editor and manually make changes, or you can use data managers. You cannot use both. It has to go in one way. So most of the times I recommend that if you are a beginner, try to make the most use of the data manager, because a lot of tasks which you will do come and do it here will be done over there very easily. Just drag drop and you are done. But if you are finding that data manager you have used it at full capacity, and now you want to really make your hands dirty with the scripting and all, you come here, unlock this, and start making the changes, right? So you can create your sections by clicking over here, which is saying that create a new section, and it will create a new section like main or auto generated, where you can start creating the script based on that section need, right? After that, you have over here, if you want to make the data connections and all, you can make the data connection here. You have the option of debugging, so you can debug as well your script. So these are all the options which is available, and once you are done, you can load the data, and this will load your entire data into the front end. So for now I am not unlocking and changing anything, because we will do a lot of tasks with the data manager's help. But for sure, once we will get a lot of experience into Qlik Sense for doing and managing our data, we will definitely come here, because we will have to do a lot of work here. So that's pretty much it for now for this video, and I will meet you in the new video, the new topic.